Good morning, dear students. Let's start circles. Students, this is lecture second, and here is the definition of circles. What do you mean by circle? A circle is a round shaped figure that has no corner or edges. In geometry, a circle can be defined as a closed two-dimensional curved shape. And here you can see the diagram. Here a circle is given and O is the center of the circle. OP is called the radius of the circle. Now students, here we have the definition of tangent to a circle. That's important topic. Tangents to a circle is a line that intersects this circle at only one point. We can also say that touches the circle at one point, exactly one point. And here is a circle, given circle, and AB is a straight line that touches the circle at a point. We can say that this point be P. So here AB is the tangent and OP is called the radius of the circle. Alternatively, we can say that if a line segment touches a curve or circle at a single point, then that line is called the tangent to the curve or circle. Students, it can be possible that a given curve, if a curve is given, then a straight line touches a curve at one point, then that straight line is called the tangent. So students, in this chapter we will discuss about the circles and their tangents. Now students, here we have question number 3rd, exercise 10.1. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ is equals to 12 cm. We need to find the length of the PQ. Students, you can see here the diagram. Here we have a tangent PQ. At point P, P is the point of contact and with radius OP is equals to 5 cm. Through the center O, we make a line up to Q and that is given OQ is equals to 12 cm. Now students, we need to find the length of PQ. You can see here. Students, here is one remark that tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Students, हम यहाँ पर tangent बनाया है PQ and OP is the radius. At the point of contact, radius and tangent both must be perpendicular. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं OP radius है, PQ क्या है, tangent है. तो यहाँ पर OP and PQ both are at 90 degree angle. So students, in this way, OPQ is a right angle triangle. By using Pythagoras theorem, we will find PQ. Here given OP is equals to radius 5 cm, OQ is equals to 12 cm. Since PQ is the tangent, so OP is perpendicular to PQ. Because here is the reason, tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ये रिमार्क लिखना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. Hence triangle OPQ is a right triangle. Now here we are using the Pythagoras theorem. Square of hypotenuse is equals to square of perpendicular plus square of base. Here hypotenuse is 12 cm and perpendicular is 5. Similarly, here PQ remain as it is because we need to determine PQ. So square of 12 is 144. In this way, 25 taken to the left hand side, we get PQ square is equals to 119. So PQ is equals to under root 119. In this way, you can see here that we have 4 options. So students, option D is correct. Now here we have next question, question number 4. Draw a circle and 2 lines parallel to a given line, such that one is a tangent and the other is a secant to the circle. स्टूडेंट स्टेटमेंट में हमें कहा गया है कि हमें एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है एंड टू लाइन्स आर पैरेलल टू अ गिवन लाइन such that one is a tangent and other must be secant. So students, you can see here the diagram. Let the given line be AB. सबसे पहले हम let करेंगे AB be the given line और हमें टू लाइन्स ऐसी ड्रॉ करनी है जिसमें से वन होनी चाहिए टेंजेंट एंड अदर मस्ट बी सीकेंट. टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करने के लिए हमें सर्कल को सिंगल पॉइंट पर मीट कराना होगा और सीकेंट को ड्रॉ करने के लिए हमें सर्कल को इंटरसेक्ट करना होगा एट टू पॉइंट्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वे यू कैन सी हियर दैट सी डी इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन दैट intersects circle at P and Q in the 2 points. In this way, CD is the secant. And here, EF is a straight line that touches the circle at R point. So here, EF is the tangent to the circle. In this way, student, you can see here that here CD is a secant and EF is a tangent. Now, here we have the similar question that we have already done. Fill in the blanks. A circle can have parallel tangents at the most. स्टूडेंट्स, आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि एक सर्कल पर हम कितने पैरेलल टेंजेंट्स बना सकते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, हमें यहाँ टेंजेंट्स ड्रॉ करने हैं. ए बी इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन टचेस द सर्कल एट क्यू. एक्स वाई इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन टचेस द सर्कल एट पी. अब स्टूडेंट, सपोज अगर हम दो से ज़्यादा टेंजेंट्स ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश करते हैं तो सी डी becomes the secant. In this way, we can't make more than two tangents. Not only two tangents are possible, AB and XY. So, CD is not a tangent, it is a secant as it intersects at the 2 points. So, students, in this way, today we have completed exercise 10.1. So, thank you for watching the complete video.